Good morning, Gabi.
Na empom to say
Nyame adom bibia boko na wonso.
Oh, nyame adom so mo ye pa.
Saturday stars yasen aba.
Oh yes. And then so nyame adi hu afofi one na den so ache.
Sanity.
Enti ya ba dey say ja. Yedi nkomo kakra big game so ewo ho and enumre.
Of course.
As hu ni bia big game because a word stage a game.
Yeah.
And in other say a 4 for a third place team or a big of 8 standard. So yedi nkomo kakra with a china that game na Barca
final no.
Adani maybe ade be count then yetimi na.
But Gabi, what is it? France for England for no mon person mebo 3 and 4 no.
Omo person mebo ha na nkobo. Omo prayer no mu kodu ana no mu fi said ye enti no mu prako. Because what they are.
What's up?
What's up?
But utie Thomas Tuchel and somehow odi tudwa, you can tell that the spirit is down.
The spirit in the bear down because and yet on target no. Of
course.
Once nipa unya high hopes na a down player. I na say one way ya one so kakra. And do be from si kum. And you be name say England and how the nature yes, I know no problem no.
You agree with me say it happened to them similarly in 2018. Wa brother Gareth Southgate wo.
Yeah.
They went into that semi-final against Croatia. I said the first goal from a very spectacular free kick from Kieran Trippier. Then suddenly, match no Kosono. They considered 2 goals. One from Ivan Perisic and the other from Mario Mandzukic. So they were wondering, say, why has this thing repeated itself once more? Because look at the situation. Very nice goal from Anthony Gordon. 1-0. Now, Mom Argentina for pushing him back to the wall. To the extent, say, they were not able to keep their composure. They lost concentration, and they were not able to.
Social media for Mumehemu phone and Fama Pamacho. Mumehemu phone and Fama. Social media for Mumehemu phone and Fama. Okay. Tesco medase. Mohena momra me hem for my.
Social media for phone na pese this time.
Pese this time be better. Bo say omudi ye adwuma. Na akwakoye yinti. Kwa me bra be he for my. Jo yenkoso na ye ni dwuma.
England no they know it. That when they hired Thomas Tuchel, the expectation was that carry us to the final and manage to win the trophy for us. Because it's been 60 years. The last time England for winning World Cup was in 1966 when they hosted it themselves. And after Usher situation now, you say the Thomas Tuchel biaba. And Thomas Tuchel, the expectation is that look, you are a German coming to take over the English team. So carry us to the final, deliver the trophy for us. Our second in 60 years. And the way are now omupeno. And I think say omuchimu tanya 3rd and 4th no. Omubebo against France. But if you want to talk about France kakra before I start, no, I think Didier Deschamps will be very happy with what he has done.
Okay.
Gabi, to play back semi-finals of the FIFA World Cup 3 times in a row, it is not an easy thing. And Oshe Ejuma Didier Deschamps are here on this team, right? With the young talents he had at his disposal. The way at 2018, boy, that was where we saw Kylian Mbappe come onto the scene. Then through that, 2022, Omoko final, when they were 2-0 down, they managed to climb back 2-2. Our game New Year 3-3. They call penalties. Eventually, they lost that game. Then they came into this World Cup, all the way to the semi-final again. I think, say, as he's leaving the job, one of the biggest memories of Odibeja French national team, and they say, he would have known and remembered all the things he has done in the past. And players Nankasano, they will appreciate him for what he has done. And so him, Zinedine Zidane and Ebabeji Ejumano. And I know that Zinedine Zidane, to him, the responsibility is that baby Didier Deschamps, any team na bedruno. The bar has been set very high into Unsuna was so pejem. So Gabi, nobody would expect France to go to the next World Cup in 2030 and not make the semi-final. Because baby Didier Deschamps any bar na bedruno. And was so Zinedine Zidane, you have to raise the bar. So of course we live to see how that will turn out because 2030 remember is just 4 years. And then you see a World Cup. 4 years about that. And another World Cup is over. And that is the end of an era for Didier Deschamps. All the Ejumane Eja Zinedine Zidane to continue. So we'll see how that pans out. But you better sound common in terms of tactics. France and England. No, Bagabi, the World Cup has come to its conclusion, and I think this has been one of the most enjoyable World Cups for me. Mr. Tisha World Cup, that was 2006, and the Kaiser World Cup. I have very fond memories of that World Cup. But if I compare all those World Cups from 2006 to 2010, 2014 Brazil, 2018 Russia, 22 Qatar, Munina till now, Gabi, when I look at all of those World Cups and I compare it to this World Cup, I think we have had a very, very good tournament. Of course, this is the first expanded version now. 48 teams and participating. And we saw, or we have seen 102 games so far. 102 games, no result na project on the screen this year. Right from the start. First game as South Africa and Mexico boy, Mexico, we need 2-0 South Africa for red card me. It looks like it was just yesterday, but Gabi, another World Cup is over. It's 102 games down, 2 more to go. Baku a bronze game, no? To see who wins the bronze, that's France and England. And we have started that discussion already. Then the big final, which is between Spain and Argentina. Gabi, to talk about this game, no, there are so many things that we can look at. So many perspectives that we have a game no from. And put it on the table. I think today, no, most of us would want to look at it from a very holistic perspective. We share 2 teams that are you can see that they are coached by 2 managers who have a very peculiar story. So Lionel Scaloni, any Ejumana Wabeye as coach of Argentina now, you do realize that he has added something special to this team. Even though they have a player like Lionel Messi, or X factor in that Argentina team. Gabi, when you look at Spain as well, Spain have a coach in Luis de la Fuente, who has also mastered the art of tactics and has become a coach in his own respect. While building a team not to a certain level that everybody wants to admire. Gabi, when him say Luis de la Fuente, Lionel Scaloni adie, wabra. Omuye UEFA Pro license in 2017.
Oh, okay.
Luis de la Fuente was the instructor of that class. And that class was made up of Xabi Alonso, Scaloni himself. There was also Capdevila, former Spain player, Capdevila, and also Kahubi. And there was also an Andoni Iraola assistant of Liverpool. And there was one thing now. Luis de la Fuente Ekaye, or say when you looked at all the participants in that UEFA Pro license class of 2017 now, Nipa or share no, actually say or yeah dear in the team building topic or chere or more was Lionel Scaloni. So Gabi, look at the Argentina team very well. There's one thing about Lionel Scaloni and how he coaches the team. He gives them the liberty to be a brotherhood on the pitch and off the pitch. It's the be a move return or not a mobile. You will see Lionel Messi leading the team. And say players no call a hydration break, no mobile touch line now. You see the way they have conversation with Scaloni. It is so demonstrative of the fact, say, Scaloni as a coach, he allows the players to have a say. It's wadring is saying, wadring. Then both the player and the manager have a conversation. And they build that sort of friendship among themselves. So, that was the observation of Luis de la Fuente. Gabi, omu pre-match conference, no? These were the words of Scaloni. Or say we have to thank the players. It's hard to explain what this group has done with words. We are going to try to win the final, but what these guys have already achieved is incredible. It's ojitum. Senka Uka say Argentina will do final in this tournament. Many would not have believed because no Argentina 2022 dada. And in terms of back-to-back, winning the back-to-back or going to the back-to-back final in the World Cup, any people will remember me as I don't know. So he can appreciate the fact that the players no. And on the day he will want to thank them because they have been able to demonstrate on the park. Say when it comes to resilience and mentality, we also have it. She games of boy against Cape Verde, against Egypt. right? Against Switzerland, against England. There were times in these knockout stages they had to claw from the back to come and win the game. So you understand the mentality which he's talking about. Gabi Yebisa, Luis de la Fuente, same question about what he thought about the final. Honestly, I agree on many principles and ways of thinking. I believe we are not so much different. The match will be evenly matched and decided by details, but we must impose ourselves. Into Nusu say, game here, Koboy. The opponent you are coming to play against is an opponent that when you score him 1 or 2 goals, they don't give up. And you have no choice or no option than to impose yourself on the team that you are playing against on the day.
But game no any easy.
Kabi, me say, when I look at these conversations already, it tells me the battle that is ahead for these two teams on the pitch tomorrow.
Game of a sort, one moment shoulders. As a omunini
of course,
in the Premier League, Alexis McAllister, Enzo Fernandez, in the middle for Argentina. Na waba benya Pedri, Fabien, and as a Rodri.
Then you look at Danny Omomo, and look at players like Pedri. The way they know themselves and how they're even gearing up towards the final.
As will be strong,
very strong.
Will be weakness. Okay, so the bench
But Gabi, isn't it shocking? Say the two teams that are going to play the final at Echinano, that's Spain and Argentina, they met a certain Cape Verde in this tournament. And Sir Cape Verde, no, in those 2 games, demonstrated to us said they were not a mean opponent against these 2 teams. Obekai group stage, Cape Verde, Spain boy, that was the first game.
Yeah.
Oh, my group no 0-0. And even after that game, no, I'm not for Bebe say now Spain they no muye. Oh my yet people so favorites no. Who share Cape Verde after no be on World Cup for the first time. No. So people were quite raising very funny comments. Spain no sure. Look at what happened in that game between Cape Verde and Argentina. That game had to go into extra time before Cape Verde eventually conceded that goal, and that was the dagger that sent them back home. And it is one thing about this tournament. I've already said, look, this has been a very enjoyable tournament. Obi a tell me biano. Obi to me say, World Cup we share World Cup we j because we be akra to nchen look at the goal scorers in this tournament. The top goal scorers, Harry Kane wo ho, Lionel Messi wo ho. Right, Kylian Mbappe, all the big boys have showed up in this tournament. And I think that is what is making this particular World Cup one that we will forever remember. But Gabi, we cannot mention the story of this particular final without talking about the story of Lionel Messi and Lamine-Yamal. Say, minim say, one who picture now, I think who can want him already.
Yeah.
But unim said that more for be say AI.
Yes, of course. Even including me at first.
And now you bisa Spain player Bakubi. That's Mikel Merino. And okay say no him say AI image, no him say real. Gabi, the story has it that in 2006, na UNICEF Foundation, United Nations International Children's Educational Fund for no. No almost Spain. They wanted to collaborate with Sport, magazine Spain, to be able to raise funds for UNICEF. What they did was that no, say Barcelona 4 players no. Say a minimum 8 pictures with the young children who were in Spain at the time. We had first one in 2006 no, a fire, and it was a big event. Your mother say in 2007 no, what they will do is that they will reduce the reach to just those who lived around Catalan area.
Okay.
It's UNICEF one. They did the same program in 2007, but they reduced the reach to Catalan for area no. They did a raffle they draw. They will select at random. Then when they select at random, who are we family now? You select one. Who the Wakola and Aoba, Ebeba Camp Nou to come and take a picture with a random player. Gabi, in that 2007, the story has it that when they did the raffle, Lamine-Yamal, ne mami, a friend Sheila Ibana, and then the papa a friend Munir Nazraoui, they won the raffle to come to Camp Nou, and they brought their young 3-month-old Lamine-Yamal along with them. Then on that day, coincidentally, the person that they picked as the Barcelona player to take a picture with them was Lionel Messi. So Lionel Messi on that day walks into the away changing room, baby, I want a picture, no. And went to sit with the small Messi-Yamal, 3 months old Messi-Yamal.
6 or 3. 6.
A 6-month-old brother.
6, yeah.
6-month-old Messi-Yamal. And yes, Messi. On it, Akolano, any agronom pictures. Gabi, I don't know how football manages to write certain scripts.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, who would have even thought, say, 19 years down the line, those pictures will become very relevant in the context of the FIFA World Cup final. Not the FIFA World Cup match, group stage, and now quarter final, and semi, the final. After those pictures was taken on that day, Yebisa, Nipa na ocha picture no Joan Monfort. Ono kura no nim say picture where they say a random picture in mecha. But in the 2024 Euro final, we had the father of Messi-Yamal bring out those pictures. And Oka say this is the beginning of something special. Because na Spain ako Euro final mo wini. And after the picture was taken in 2007, nobody thought say nka ehubeba mfaso kra. They didn't bring it out anymore until it was brought out by Messi-Yamal papa. And Omodeba said, even during that time when the picture was taken, look, Messi-Yamal and the family, they didn't have so much money. Now I say, oh, here we hokakra. But look at what has happened throughout that period. And today, we are talking about this story, highlighting the relevance of the fact, say, in what world would we get the chances of, say, on that day, no, na a Messi, na wasn't connect a picture, no. Because Barcelona was made up of so many stars. Gabi, that time Thierry Henry was with Barcelona. That time Victor Valdez was with Barcelona. That time there was a Carlos Puyol who was the captain of Barcelona. What were the odds? Now for put a Messi, what started say all first team during that time? What were the odds? Say we will get something like this, and I think this is why we love football. So maybe Samia, I don't know we play football. I don't know we need football. Sometimes football will tell certain stories that some of us can never explain. And I think that this particular story of Messi-Yamal, Oya Kola, Messi, and any day abroad 19 years ago, Eswaban Faso, and Yedi Komo. I think these are the reasons why we love football, and destiny is speaking for the two of them. Also, Nancy Princeton, Eka Simbi, and Afifin, so Eka Wasem say, on Sunday, what we are going to see is that we are going to see an official handing over ceremony of Messi to Messi-Yamal. So with the crown now, send me the boy.
Which I agree.
You agree, eh?
Yes.
I also agree.
Me who be bisa. Because I say near ma around omumi no.
Yeah.
And nema nesa the eba. So you have a better way of say, oh okay, sisi ade basa me free I said but this is the guy.
Yeah.
I think say the finance and
that is the official. And now, no, when you look at it from that conversation, you will struggle to say, okay, I want this one to win. I want. Basa for baby. I'll make us say, media baby, could be a bit many budget.
Yes.
Call Messi-Yamal with you, Messi with you. Both of them are Barcelona legends, so to speak. So we'll be happy. But I agree when people say that tomorrow we are seeing a handing over ceremony. Whoever wins, Biano. At the end of the day, because of this story and because of how it has reoccurred. 19 years later, I said both of them will meet at this stage. No, I think it's destiny. It's not a coincidence. It will be a because way the coincidence there. I'm not sure. Say, Minini Pandobaya dream. But of course, after I know UNICEF one kasa edit post ebae, and they were speaking to the fact that the picture is real. It's UNICEF for post. I'll say yes, those photos are real. And I think at this point, people will look at the story and they'll be very, very, very impressed with the fact. Say, look, this is a miracle of destiny. That Messi and Messi-Yamal first meeting, no, and one Banfaso 19 years later. And I think, say, Charlie, this is something that all of us will look at and they will be very, very happy about after a China game, no. But Oshe athletic for posting, so I'm gonna say honestly, that photo of us is crazy. That's Messi Awokasa. Also because well, that's life. I took a photo with him as a baby, and here we are facing each other off in the World Cup. It's Messi and Kasano. I think Obedewo Kakra and know that no.
There's some link.
There's a link. There's a transfer of power. There's something special that connects the two of us.
Yeah.
And I think Echinano we'll see. But Gabi, another thing about Echina game, then they say we are going to see very interesting duels. I'm dwelling so much on the final because we'll see Messi-Yamal come against Tagliafico left her. We'll see that duel. we see Aymeric Laporte against Messi. In Fifi any Echiro because Messi no on cast no buy into this game with that full confidence to come and try and win the game. But of course, Spain, any Argentina, the way they've won their games in the quarterfinal, in the semi-final, we saw how Mikel Merino came from the bench to come and get those victories for Spain. And Argentina, so their games are all behind. No afraid, no about set, and then they win the game. The actual game, they actually very, very interesting. Nagabi, Kukureya say, Omu win Sunday now, be retire. Makukureya. Oja Chelsea ya call Real Madrid no. Spain winning match new year. There are two things you do. The first one is a tattoo Luis de la Fuente. Nenim atono as a tattoo on his body. Then the second thing is that he will retire from the national team because only say we GBBA in 2024 we win Euros inti opese after 2026 we win World Cup now. He will just go and retire and he will be in peace. And I like the mentality of Lionel Messi for tomorrow's game. Gabi, when you look at Messi and all he has achieved, and in Yema Waye in football, you can look at him and say that Messi in game ni senka but look at what he has said. I say once again, we have established ourselves among the top 2 teams in the world, and that proves that everything we have done is no fluke, and that nothing was handed to us. So Obekaya in this tournament, Nankasana man for Bibriakasa Messi in Argentina, no, the referees are working for them to make sure say we renew more matches, make sure say we renew tournament, no. And even though I disagree to some extent, I think say Messi asema working, I can also agree with him. Usha omo matches on my boy. Look, coming from a goal down or 2 goals down to win a game, Gabi, any easy sao. It's not something that any team can do. And here a certain level of concentration and mental fortitude to be able to do that in that game. And I think that's what Messi is talking about. Of course, Golden Ball, if Messi and Argentina win it, I think Messi will be the first player to win the Golden Ball 3 times. And I think that would be a very good achievement for Lionel Messi and for Argentina. Gabi, another thing, Messi, I hear in this tournament, and I'm on Messi because look, the guy has done a lot. And say Obama we know say or Jai football Nesiwa. I think football on its own needs to even cry that Messi is leaving the game. And I think say anything could happen. Obebo match we will beat me say ware tie, and that will be the end of Messi. We will not see Messi again. Instead, I'm on Messi pan. If Messi plays this final, Gabi, he will be the second player, the only second player to play 3 consecutive finals in the FIFA World Cup. The only other player to do so is Cafu for Brazil.
Okay.
Cafu ball 94 World Cup final. Only Italy, winning here. France 98, only France ball winning here. Then in Korea, Japan 2002, only Germany ball he played all of those finals. Then look at Messi as well. Messi 2014 Brazil boy lose to Germany. Then Qatar 2022, winning here against France. Then tomorrow we see if he wins or even if he plays, he would have entered into that league of players about 3 consecutive finals. Now, Oshe back-to-back. Gabi, only a few countries have done this back-to-back thing before. 1986, Germany called final in the FIFA World Cup. When we need 1990 Obaye Obeje. Look at 1986 final, Argentina called final. Oje Oba back into the final in 1990. 1J. Then we have France. Oje 2018 final. Eba back 2022 final 1J. Then 2022 we had Messi and Argentina through Lionel Scaloni. They won the FIFA World Cup, and we will see whether they will be able to defend it. So on say dynamics are very, very interesting in terms of the obetimi aye back to back successfully. Over the years you don't get too many teams to do that, and I think say Gabi, let's look into the tactics because nimse yetie for how it is possible for Spain to be able to break down this very, very difficult Argentine team. Now, and now me share video be Leo de la Fuente now or discuss the way on England football Euro 2024 final, no, and how the way he got one of the goals in that game, how that goal came about, and how I think say that goal and the way team no ball shares our goal no will be very relevant for a final. No, one thing I about Spain football boy and they say. You will see that the way they rotate their players on the pitch, no, is something that they have studied and they have done countless times. It is a omo boy, and ya there aye omo din kran. Now you also bear with this me the way Pedro Porro is a goal no in the semi-final. Pedro Porro for him for a goal against France. It was an interpositional kind of football omo boy, and they managed to get that understanding with themselves, and they managed to score that goal. Gabi, Louis de la Fuente say in 2024 final now boy, you know. He utilized a simple strategy that helped the players to rotate amongst themselves and managed to get the ball into a certain space. Omutimi share sa goal from Nico Williams to score the second goal. Omudi winning sa match no. It's a tactical board this year. You will see that I have put together something similar from that final in the build up to that second goal. Nico Williams share Spain for the J Euros no. You see a Fabian Ruiz over here, or drop it deep into the right hand channel or J ball no. Now Fabian Ruiz is naturally a player who plays in the midfield. Inti Odrope deep sano. Danny Carvajal had to vacate this right hand channel and move forward. There was a space left over here. Jude Bellingham had to quickly jump onto Fabian Ruiz. Now you realize that Fabian Ruiz a release ball on Temtem Emma Carvajal.
Okay.
Then you also realize that once the ball was released to Carvajal, you had a Luxor coming down to tackle Carvajal and release the ball and get the ball from him in that right hand channel. Then what happens next? Carvajal finding Messi-Yamal in that right hand space, in that right hand channel, say no, at the ball on the man. Then once Messi-Yamal picks the ball in this space, you have a Maguire come down to tackle him. There's an Alvaro Morata and a Dani Olmo also filling into the area of the box to try and get the attention of John Stones, any other defenders or more boxing. Then once that is done, there's a huge space at a left hand channel where Bukayo Saka is not able to track down early. The ball comes from Messi-Yamal towards Nico Williams. And Nico Williams area box say boom, that was the goal. So you realize that there's an interpositional play from the Spanish. And yes, some combination now, a ball to displace the opponent from their respective positions on the park. Now when your chance at show, and you saw that same thing in the game against France. Okay. Pedro Porro, it means that chance right in front of the box to slot Oma or victory against France. So I think tomorrow, one thing that Argentina want to work on, and they say, so almost Spain for neighbor, they shouldn't have the idea that they can only beat them with the mentality. Quite bad mentality. Luis de la Fuente has already built it in his Spanish team.
Okay.
The way interpositional play, they'll be able to stop it. And to say the match today, this is the strength of the Spanish team. Argentina, they have always fought from the back. If Argentina didn't go 1-0 down, they will find a way to fight and win the game. But if Spain 4% wins our game, they will have to be very, very innovative with the way they implementing almost strategy way. And I think that is what will help them to be able to win this game. Gabi, I think the China game in Spain will win it.
Goal margin.
Look, I think it will be a very close, about 2-1. 2-1. I need 2-1, about 3-2.
2-1 or 3-2 for
yes,
Spain.
We'll get goals in the game.
Okay.
We'll get goals in the game.
So, and then you mentioned the England, France.
England, France, no. Say not minim say be a bit me time na di hunko
but me prediction
just
on
prediction
that.
On. Well, Gabi, I think because of the disappointment of the two teams and how Omentimian do final no, I don't think they'll really give their hearts out in this game. But Michel France for team Didier Deschamps, the fact that this is his last game, I don't think so be loses our game. No.
Okay.
I'm predicting say France will be winning third place. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Yanda Joshua Horlotu and so Ase.